Back guys, today we will be solving Leetcode problem, and this is the monthly challenge, and the problem number is 1822. So we have to find the sign of the product of an array. So there is a function sign function x that returns 1 if x is positive, minus 1 if x is negative, and 0 if x is equal to 0. Okay, so you are given an integer array nums. Let product be the product of all values in the array nums. Okay, then you have to return the sign function of product. Okay, that is perfectly nice. So we just a second, online whiteboard. So actually let's just take a whiteboard here, I think. Okay, yeah, so here we are having nums. Let's just go through the input case once, and then we will simplify it. Okay, so here the nums is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and 3, 2, 1. So we have this as minus 1. Sign here is minus 1. Now here the sign is minus 1. Here the sign is minus 1. Here it is plus 1. Here plus 1. Here plus 1. So what it is saying that you have to let product be the product of all the values in the array, and you have to return the sign function of product. So basically what you have to do is return the sign function of the whole product. Like let's say the product is x. So if x is greater than 0, then you have to return 1. If x is equal to 0, then you have to return 0. And if x is less than 0, then you have to return minus 1. Okay, pretty straightforward problem. You can count the number of negatives here, and if the number of negatives are like even, then the negatives will form a positive product, and you have to ignore the positive ones because their sign is always 1. And for the 0, if you encounter a 0, then always the product is 0, right? So you have to return 0. So I think that is a straightforward approach. Okay, so let's just quickly solve this problem. So let's keep I'm not going to take all the products here. I will keep the sign, and which will always be positive. Now I will loop on to the elements. If I is less than 0, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. Now if nums I is equal to 0, I will quickly return 0, right? Else if nums I is less than 0, then what I will do, like let's say you have that num size equal less than 0, then you have the sign as minus 1. Now if I encounter a negative number, then again minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. So what I will do is sign equals to sign into minus 1. And for positive we do not have to do anything. For positive, don't do anything, right? Now just return sign. Okay, now I am running this. Okay, so this is accepted. Let's just submit it quickly. Okay, this is working fine. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.